So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Macharia here. I'm coming live from Africa, Kenya, Murang'a County right now. That's where I am, guys, and welcome to today's video, guys. So today we are with my father right there. As you can see, we are in the village, guys, and as you can see, guys, we are preparing something, guys. We want to show you something here, guys.
This is economical jiko.
Yes, this is economical jiko here. As you can see, we have put some little charcoal inside. We want to prepare some yes, this is the charcoal that we are using, guys. As you can see, it's from a very nice tree. You know, it's not all the trees that you can use, guys, to prepare your food with, but this is then a very nice type of a tree to prepare your charcoal for. So the next thing, guys, we want to show you guys is how we roast our bananas here in the village. As you can see, guys, right here, guys, you can see we have bananas. It's about ripe. Not all of them are ripe, but some are ripe right now. As you can see, my father is showing you. Some are ripe and some are not ripe, guys. Yes, as you can see right there. So this is the method that we use here in the village to roast our banana. You can see right there, like that one, guys.
Remember, they are not ripe.
They are not very ripe, or they are not fully ripe, for a better word. You just peel them and you put your charcoal either on economical jiko or use this other old jiko, or just a cultural jiko or a traditional jiko, like we there.
We have two economical jiko. This
yes.
is small.
Yes.
This is bigger.
Yes, this is small jiko and this is a bigger one. Either way, you can use the jikos, the normal jikos, or use the bigger jikos. As you see, my father is doing, he have put some bananas on top of this jiko. As you can see, they are a little bit roasted and they have a very nice color. As you can see, these are, they are going to be very sweet.
Just like honey.
Yes, they are going to be when you roast them, they become very sweet, guys. Yes, this is a method that we use here in the village to roast the banana. As you have seen my dad has done, you just peel the banana, put it on the jiko. You just put some small charcoal until it turns red, and then it burns a little. Don't burn it a lot, just burn it fairly, a little part, some small part, until it turns gray. Not gray. It turns golden brown. Yes, that's the name. Golden brown. Yes. When it turns golden brown, you come, you take your plate like that. You put them inside your plate, guys, as you have seen my father has done. And this, you eat them for breakfast, guys. You see how my father is enjoying, guys. Yes, you just put them on your plate and enjoy. This is tea, guys, and this is banana. This is tea from tea leaves, guys. Yes, milk and tea mixed together. Yes, you can see, guys, the result of this recipe. It's a very traditional, a very nice traditional breakfast here in the village. You see how my father is peeling another one. You come and put them on the jiko, guys. Yes, it is burning. It's just that you cannot see because of the lighting, but it's still burning, guys, as you have seen. Yes, my father is trying to make it burn. Roasting.
Roasted banana, yes.
So these are roasted bananas, guys, for breakfast here in the village. Yes, you see how beautiful or how nice that color has turned. You see? Yes, guys, I need my father to hold the camera for me. Yes, this is very nice, very sweet, guys. Yes. He has put some tea in the cup for me to eat. Yes, guys. You see? I enjoy now, guys. It is my time to enjoy. Yes, as you can see, as I continue roasting them. Yes, so if anyone wakes up, they will just come and pick their roasted bananas and take tea, and they go and enjoy, guys.
Enjoy.
Yes, let me just show you how we eat these bananas here in the village.
It is very sweet.
Very sweet, guys. Very, very sweet.
This way.
Very sweet. You see, this is our breakfast here in the village. Yes, guys. Enjoy this video and make sure you subscribe for more videos. This is very sweet. Very, very sweet. So guys, please subscribe and watch this video until the end, guys. Yes, watch this video until the end. Make sure you press the thumbs up button as well as the subscribing button, guys. Yes. You can come also and join us as we enjoy our banana.
We are very kind.
Here in the village, we are very kind and generous people. Yes, guys. You see, that's how we do it. Here in the village, guys. This is how we do it. Yes. Very sweet.
Very sweet, guys.
You can also tell us in the comment section what you think about this recipe or this dish here in the village. You can comment down below. Very sweet.
On your side,
This is tea, guys. This is tea, basic tea.
Egg.
So guys, we are done with the cooking of bananas and now I'm heading to the salon, as you can see. So guys, this is our village, this is our village. Yes, guys. This is where I come from, guys. I'm heading to the salon. I am going to fix my hair. I'm going to fix my goddamn hair. Yes, guys. So let's go together to the salon. To the salon, guys. Oh, yes. This is me, guys. This is my hair. I'm going to fix it. That's my outfit. Quick outfit of the day. So guys, quick outfit of the day. Oh my god, I'm catching my breath. Guys, that hill was something else. Yes, guys, this is our village, guys. As you can see, now I'm on this road, still moving. Yes, and you can hear me just catching my breath. Yeah. I don't know. Yes, guys. Stay with me. Stay with me, my people. Stay with me. This is Africa for you guys. Kenya. I'm currently in Murang'a County. Yes, guys, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me that motivation. Yes. Hello, guys. Let's go. Let's keep going. Yeah, I'm going to make this hair pretty nice. This is our village, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you when I reach up there. What a nice view. I'm still pushing on, guys. Still walking.